EOSE stock analysis and EOSE stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. As I'm just looking at Eos Energy Enterprises stock, I do see it correcting down quite hard. You know, that's not a small deal of 24%. I can tell you one thing that I was very, very happy and open-minded, which turns out to be like a break-even point for me with EOSE at the time. And then he did the complete opposite. It just kind of kept melting, right? And all I to tell you that before this freaking crashing kind of period, I got this long side prediction quite cut out to my exactly before it actually happened, when it was $5. You can see we reached 7, and then it kind of did crash. With all that to say, bro, nothing is stopping me from hopefully just doubling down even more on EOSE. I mean, I don't care what you look at, like how you look at things, but this is still gonna ultimately be the demand zone from $3. So unironically, like higher time frame chart for me is just I'm waiting for a confirmation, so then I can take things further up. Other than that, this is all noise. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free email.